Hello folks, this is Emmanuel Lee. Welcome to video 3, your application from learning to earning in 48 hours of our second series of how to make $500 a day. Today's focus, we will be transitioning from the last video, which was your idea from an existing product to your chosen application and going from learning to earning. In the next 48 hours, you may be the moment that you realize that your first sale notification pops up on your phone. This is also when you may realize that the feeling you're expressing is not solely about money. Instead, it serves as proof of the person you have always been, evidence that you are capable of achieving anything that you put your mind to and your heart and with a little education. So let's get into the video. So far we have, in video 2, we have covered this drop shift method of owning a product. Quite frankly, what we're about to talk about, you can apply this, you can apply any product into this type of application. We talked about the PL or private label rights. That's what our focus is, as using it as a product. So now that we have a product, we're going to talk about the application, so which is the business engine that sells the product. This video is the done for you funnel guide, and building your own funnel can take very many technical skills. But what if I told you that you don't have to build a funnel for scratch? I mean, it's called a DFY funnel, done for you funnel. So what is a done for you funnel? A done for you funnel, a DFY funnel, is a pre-built, ready to use sales and delivery system that handles everything from attracting buyers to delivering your product or your private label into a product without no needing of coding skills or designing graphic art skills or degrees like myself, or set up a complex tech software or none of that stuff. It's very simple. Now, consider that it is the business engine to taking you from you buy it, you customize it with a little few details for like your name, your price, your product, or your private label link, and it started working for you immediately. So let's talk about what's inside of this done for you funnel and why it works so fast. Most done for you funnels include, number one, typically a hosting page or sales page with a high conversion rate, and also is mobile friendly. Okay. Number 2, it's a checkout system that takes in secure payment like Stripe and PayPal and etc. And number 3, it's an automatic delivery and instantly sends your digital product, whether it's a PDF file or Canva template, to your customer through email or etc. after they have made a purchase. Number 4, it automatically follows up with the email, a pre-written secret, and it helps build trust and reduce refund with your sale. And it usually offers an upsell. So number 5, the analytics dashboard. It tells you everything, the tricks, views, conversion rates, and your revenue on your one about what's going on, your overall picture. So all of this functionality, and it is pre-configured into your funnel. You don't have to build it, you just activate it. This is here what you do. You will go and you will buy a DFY funnel design for selling your PL or template, which can be from anywhere from $27 and going on. So what you do next is, once you got your funnel, you you're done for you. You upload your upgraded PLR package as the product that you want to sell, or you include your product that, or your idea that you have concluded that you are using. If you're using private label rights, then you will want to get the upgraded version for $7 more when you purchase those rights, those licenses. So next, you will change the price of the product. Say in all, $27 plus the $7, that's $34. Then you will up the price to $54 and add your logo. You will make profit. And then all you will do next is you will share that funnel link. TikTok shop is different ways of sharing it to get a lot of. We would talk about how to enhance this even more. You could even share it and create a affiliate palace with it. You know, so when someone buys, they pay and receive an instant email with your product, and then they get a follow-up message saying, "Loved it. Here's a printed journal version with an upsell." You do nothing manually. This is just what happened when it goes through the funnel. It automatically does this. And AI and automation handles everything, and it is perfect for beginners who are high school students who are busy with school and work and homework. And completely beginners don't know anything, don't have no tech skills, no code skills, don't know anything about business, don't have no degrees and none of that stuff. They don't have 20 years of practice of their adulthood. But yet, this is a perfect thing for them because you do nothing manually. It's no website needed, no code and the tech skills needed. It works on Gumroad and PayHub and other standalone apps and links, and you can launch this. You can do all this in under an hour. You know, it takes no time to get this done after school or after work or your hour break or whatever. And then your business will scale up while you're sleeping, studying, or just TikTok doing or whatever you do for.
This video is sponsored by IDPLR. Are you ready to access one of the largest online stores for digital goods? IDPLR has been the #1 PLR membership since 2008, and it has over 400,000 members around the world who trust it and are joining every day. You can resell, edit, rebrand, and keep 100% of the profits from more than 12,000 PLR product packages and more than 45,000 individual products inside. We're talking about more than 6,300 ebooks, more than 1,700 video courses, more than 1,300 software tools, more than 600 graphic packs, more than 1,200 templates, more than 260 audio packs, more than 1,200 ready-to-use websites, and more than 200,000 PLR articles. And the best part is that a lot of these items come with private label rights, which means you can sell them as if they were your own. Want to start a webinar course? There is a PLR for that. Do you need help finding profitable niches? There is a PLR for that. Are you planning to launch a product with affiliates? Yes, it's already been done for you. Every month, new products are added, and as a member, you can access everything, including past and future releases. You even get strong tools like live preview. You can see inside products before you download them. Step-by-step PLR training, great for beginners too. Top-notch priority support for eCover Creator software for making professional. The 3D product includes 10 gigabytes of web hosting. Access to Content Express with over 200,000 ready-to-use articles. You can get thousands of products for a small fee instead of paying $27, $47, or even $97 for one product somewhere else. If you've ever wanted to start a business selling digital goods, build your online brand, or make more money without having to make everything from scratch, this is the easy way for you. Don't go from one site to another. Join the biggest and most well-known PLR membership site on the web. Sign up for a free account today and start building your digital empire. The link is in the description now. Back to the video.
But during those 6 hours won't be just scrolling through social media. Your business will be scaling up at the same time. So some important things to think about is that not all done-for-you funnels are equal. You want to be careful and read the terms of the agreement and look for ones that include commercial rights so you can resell this funnel. So don't be upset if you watch this video and then you go and you go buy a done-for-you funnel and you see I didn't fail to mention to read the terms of the agreement to make sure that you're getting exactly what you want to do, what you want from it. Make sure that in the terms that it is mobile friendly, mobile optimization, that you are allowed to use it in emails, and that you're allowed to use it in text messages, automation. Make sure that it could be integrated with print on demand as a physical product. So that just be sure that it can be uploaded. So a done-for-you funnel remove the technical aspect of being overwhelmed, and so you can focus on actually making money. Your focus should be on providing value and increasing your traffic, not the technical IT aspect of running your business. And this drop method is your shortcut. So you go from I have a product and I am looking for people to sell the product to. You go from that to I have a business and it have a engine and it funnels multiple customers through my business in less than a day. So you can buy a done-for-you funnel for about $27. That's not expensive. And then you use it as application for your private label rights. Upsell your licenses for $54. And you always come out with a profit. This approach is how you mostly successful. But if you got another product and you want to use a done-for-you funnel, that's good too. It will work with any product. So you're able to do this in the following next 40 hours because you're able to make a profit because it don't take long to set up, right? You will create a delivery system that doesn't need your hands, and it uses AI to send the packages to on its own, right? You don't have to press a button or anything like that. It's all through the funnel. And with a print on demand, you can link your private label right to any existing offer, to any existing promotion, and sell it as a physical product. You would show the world your digital product or your physical product, and you will sell it through the funnel, and that is your product being handled without the requirements of being manually, physically handled in someone's hands. It is a pre-made template for creating this application, and you add all of your features to you add all of your brand to that to help you build the brand. This is the easy strategy to let you make money without even leaving the house. You learn that it's more about than just making money. Your first sale will help you see how easy it is to reach your goals when someone else has already done all the heavy lifting for you. And all you have to do is apply this strategy through the education that you learned from this video and do it correctly. So let's review this. You get a funnel that is already set up. You don't spend no more than $27 on it. Don't have to be expensive. Okay? You offer your products on it for $54 or whatever more products that you have. All right, you're still making a product. The funnel pay for itself on the first sale, right? And you get this sale over and over again. Come on. beginners can use this delivery system to make for them in the next 48 hours. Deliver your product, your digital product, or your physical product, automatically with AI through the funnel. Connects to offer or upsell, like a printed journal or any other print on demand product that you have. If you have followed the first series, you might be heavy in the print on demand now, and now you got this one compounding to helping you reach that $500 stake. Okay, you go live to the world with no tech skills applied. Right? This is a theory that I have. This is proven technique that work with the drop shift method. Right? This just may be your first income stream of running hands-free from your bedroom. Okay. You find out that all those jobs ain't giving you the quality that you need, that you're doing in your spare time, maybe. Or you go full time, you go all in on it. If you like this video, right, and you can't wait for video 4, right, smash that subscribe button, like and share with
For more awesome content, like and subscribe now.
Right, and be prepared for video 4, because in video 4 we are going to take this to the next level. You know, we are going to scale up our business. And we went through all the steps, and now that we're forward and running, our business is running like an engine. We're going to with the video for the expansion from high side hustle to financial freedom. Video. Thank you all.